Hello and welcome to AMC Vlogs. Today, we'll have a quick tour inside a newly opened hypermarket in Bin Mahmoud. Mercadona Qatar. At the ground floor, variety of dry food and household goods occupy most of the space. Not only is Mercadona accessible by different means of transportation, they also offer deliveries during this time. Just call 974-444-34362. Oh, and did I mention they have basement parking? Another reason to visit this hypermarket is because of Filipino street food. As of the moment, they only offer takeaway, deliveries, and pickup. Now, let's move on to the upper level. This part of the upper level of the hypermarket is being managed by Filipinos like Bench Qatar and JC Premier Qatar.
Congrats!
Not gym. It's refined the area station. And thank you so much. And if you having contact with me, I give the number, which is 5014-8725. And we have includes for free delivery inside Doha. Okay. And it's for the Thank you so much. Yes. We are inviting all of you, are always free in the moment you are watching with us. We have a bench, product, we have skincare, especially they're so very famous. This is Premier Omni, which is I'm using for 3 years. It's totally proven and tested.
I need that.
Yes.
Yes, I need that.
What is artistic? And they're all from Japan and Korea. We have also from Morocco, which is for the olive oil, natural. They're all natural and organic. You know the best, the bigger price we have. I think this one is Himalayan Salt, which is really very helpful for the health. This is very famous. Even Qatari people, local people, they are so well known of this product, Himalayan Salt. And that's all. We have copper mask. We have perfume, especially we're having this one, the name of Tani. Wow, Al-Majid. Actually, it's a luxury perfume, and it's very affordable price. And we have also temperature watch. Actually, I'm dealing this one. This is we call this for Etheras watch. They are they indicate for the time, the day, and alarm, and what temperature.
Wow.
Power! This is the reason for all the skincare. This is the reason why we can have this shop. Because this one is very, it's for all Filipinos, it's very familiar when we Jessica Soho.
Yes.
For those ladies not having a period without for 9 months, 1 year, 3 years, and it's proven and it's really nice.
Wow. Thank you. Mami, ito po.
This one is
UV.
portable UV. Actually, we are direct of this one. If we are going to buy outside, it's to really have a really higher price than with us, because this one is we're selling this one only for 70.
70 riyals.
Yes. Other is 179, 120, 99, but we are selling for 70.
Wow.
And they have same everything, and you can put personal belongings which can fit it inside. The cell phone, what's this, accessories or anything, money, wallets, and bracelet, watches, sunglasses, as long that it can fit inside.
Wow.
And this is 99.9 tested already.
Wow.
You can disinfect the virus.
I need that one.
I think which has a package, I can give you a free visit.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Sisi.
9 real on
The bench.
Yes, all the bench. We have all this one for all stylish for.
Welcome po kayo sa mini store namin, syempre. Binuo namin to just because of we believe that syempre tayo naman mga Pilipino ang dapat mag-umpisa. As you can see, mula sa baba, ang mga may-ari ngayon is Filipino.
Wow.
So, we have to be proud na,
Yes.
na tayo mga Pilipino kahit sa maliit, at least we can start.
Yes.
Na in the long run, kung lahat ng
then-
mga business dito, puro mga ibang lahi, di ba? So,
Opo.
So kaya pinuha namin itong, tama na dito. At the same time, yung JC Premier, which is isa na to sa mga vision ng may-ari ng JC Premier, which is magkakaroon na ng sariling store ang JC Premier soon sa Pilipinas. So since na sa Pilipinas, magkakaroon siya, mas nauna na ngayon tayo dito sa Qatar. Yan. So ang kagandahan niya, Pilipino din ang nagdala dito. So, God bless po sa inyong
May
lahat.
delivery po ba kayo?
Yes, we
Free
have.
delivery po.
Sinong pukontakin at anong number po?
Just the number I given is 5014-8725. 5014-8725. And or Facebook, you can search with Ronel, Alameda.
Yes.
Yes, sorry, I forgot. We have a page which is from Qatar. Yes. We have a page actually.
Invite sir.
So, lahat po, welcome po ay dito sa Bin Mahmoud. So, Mercadona Hypermarket, basta po ngayong araw na to. So, welcome po sa inyong lahat.
God bless
God
us.
bless.
That's it for now. Hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell for you to get notified on the next upload. See you next time. Bye.